my friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen. If you are new here, welcome. So happy to have you. So for today's video, we are going to be doing a ZARA Try On Haul video. It's been a few years since I bought from ZARA, but I was on their website last week and I saw some really cute pieces that would be perfect for summer, if we're ever going to have a summer, I don't know. But I saw these pieces and I just knew I had to have them. So I'm going to show you guys what I bought from ZARA and let's get this video started. So the first thing that I bought from ZARA is this lime green crop top. It's one of my favorite pieces that I bought from ZARA. I don't know why, but I've been really into like super bright colors lately. I don't know if it's because I'm looking forward to summer or if I don't know, that's just my vibe, but I've been buying a lot of like bright color clothing, and I'm normally a neutral type of girl. Like I like my whites, I like my blacks, my like pink, but lately I've just been loving the pop of color and I'm obsessed with this top. I think it will look great, especially when my tan gets a little bit darker in the summer, and it's just going to pop out a lot more. And it's a cute little basic that you can definitely dress up, dress down. And what I love about this is that you don't have to wear a bra. Who likes wearing a bra in the summer? Wearing a bra in the summer just puts me in a bad mood, so I love having the option to wear cute little tops where I don't have to wear a bra. And yeah, I'm obsessed with this. Before I forget, I will definitely have everything that I mentioned in today's video linked below so you can shop if you like anything that you see. And if I can't find the exact style because it's sold out, I'll try to link something similar to that. The next thing that I picked up from the ZARA website is this really pretty lavender midi dress. Midi, is that how you say it? I don't know, but it's mid-length. It hits right at the knees, and I love these type of dresses for the summer because they're so effortless and you can definitely dress them up and dress them down. And I love the color. It's a beautiful like lavender color. I think it's perfect for the spring and the summer. And what I like about it again is that I don't have to wear a bra with it. I was afraid that it would be super thin to the point where it would be see-through, but this dress is not see-through at all, which I really appreciate. And it's a very nice like thick material, but not too thick where you would feel kind of like constrained in the hot summer days. Does that make sense? Where you would still feel comfortable and not like overheating in a 90-degree weather. Love this. I'm definitely going to go back on the website and see if they have any more colors. I don't remember if they had any more colors. I'm sure they did because I just love it, and I think this would be like a perfect summer staple. So this dress was actually $19.90 and I got it in a size small. And I actually forgot to tell you guys and show you that there's actually a cute little slit in the back of the dress. It's not too long where you feel like you can't walk. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about when you wear like super tight dresses and the slit goes up. It's kind of hard to walk in that dress, especially if it's super tight. I like that this little slit is not too long and it's just a little sexy touch for the back of the dress. I'm obsessed with this dress. Again, I can't wait to pick up more color. Love that. The next thing that I got was this really pretty romper. Funny story, I actually thought this romper was a dress until I put it on to try it on and discovered it was a romper. I was like, where is the opening? And then I was like, oh, this is a romper. And I don't really like rompers. I don't like how they look on me, and I actually think I'm going to return this if I can. I know I got it on sale. The original price was $49.90 and I think I got it on sale for like $19.99. And I don't know if it was final sale, but hopefully not, because I don't really want to keep it. It is a really pretty color. I do love the ruffles in the dress. It has really pretty details. I love like how it ties in the front, but I just don't see myself like actually wearing this. Like if I were to keep this, it would probably stay in my closet for a very long time. So if I can't return it, I'll probably just try to sell it on like Poshmark or something. The next thing that I got from ZARA is this really cute cropped top. It was $12.90. Yep, it was $12.90. It's a size small. It's a really pretty blue. I was debating whether or not to grab this top because it did look super cropped on the model, so I wasn't sure if that was what I wanted. I don't really like super duper crop tops. Like I don't mind a crop top, but just not super duper. I don't know, I'm weird like that. But I'm really glad I decided to get this top because it's really pretty. I actually tried it on with a sports bra, but I'm pretty sure I can wear this without a bra. It would just be a super duper V cut, which is fine, especially on the hot days. You don't really want to wear a bra anyways. But I love it. It's, again, it's not too thin where you feel like it's see-through, and it's not too thick where you feel like you honestly can't breathe and you're sweating in it. So I love it. It's super cute and you can't go wrong. I'm pretty sure that they had this top in a white and in a black color. Again, I'm really into like colors right now. I think it's just because of the summertime vibe. We've all been stuck at home, so I kind of just want to get out and wear vibrant, happy colors. So that's what I've been gravitating towards, and I love that, again, you can dress this up or dress it down. Next top that I got was this really pretty hot pink tank top, and again, it's super bright. I love it. It just brings me happiness just looking at it. And what I like about this top that I just didn't read in the description, I like that it has like a little, what would you call this, like a little shell inside, so you don't have to wear a bra with it. And I didn't realize that until I actually put it on, and I just love that. This is like a super nice material too. It's like thick and soft, which I really appreciate in a tank top, especially when you don't feel like wearing a bra. I really love it. I love that, again, you can dress it up, you can dress it down. I can even wear this in like the winter time or the fall time with a nice blazer over it, and I just really love it. I would even be work appropriate with like a nice jacket over, again, a blazer. It would just look super stylish, and I'm just obsessed with the color. The color is so bright. I got it in a size small, and I believe it was $19.99. Oh, I lied. It was actually $12.90. So you honestly cannot go wrong with this top. Really is a really cute staple to have in your closet, and a girl can never have too many tank tops, in my opinion. Next top I got was this really pretty like white top with a cute bow in like the pocket. Is a fake pocket, but like a really cute bow on the left side, and I just think it's super pretty. It's a super cute basic white top. I didn't know it was cropped, but I'm actually happy it is cropped. It's, again, a cute basic to have. I got it in a size small, and it was $17.90. I highly recommend this top because, again, it's really pretty, and I love the like pearl beads on the shirt. I just think it's really pretty. Let me just show you guys close up. Like, look how pretty that beaded bow is. I think it just adds a very girly and feminine touch to the shirt. I just love it for everyday summer wear, and again, the material is nice where it doesn't feel like super cheap or anything like that. And last but not least, I got this really pretty satin skirt, and I've been wanting one of these for a while, and I'm so glad I finally decided to pick one up from Zara. This was originally $49.90, and I got it for $19.99. If that is not a deal, I don't know what is. I got it in an extra small, and I love this because you can dress this up so much with like a nice pair of black strappy heels, or you can dress it super down and super casual with like a pair of white sneakers, and it goes well with almost any top. It's perfect for the summer because you can wear it with like a really nice crop top or a like nice shirt tucked in, or you can also wear it in like the fall and wear it like an oversized sweater over it. And I'm obsessed with it. I cannot wait to wear this outside because it's just so pretty. It's definitely a great staple to have in my closet, and I cannot wait to get so much wear out of this summer. I would have definitely paid $49.50 for this because I think it's worth it, and I'm just obsessed with it. Love it. So now that I showed you guys how the pieces look individually on me, I'm going to show you how I would style them casually for like an everyday summer outfit look. So roll the clip.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. You're the only sunset that I'll never forget. Red and orange sorbet, like it is the best yet. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day.
Much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this ZARA try on haul. If you would like to see more pieces from ZARA or any other type of haul, let me know in the comments below. I would love to make some. I have a couple more coming. I'm just waiting on the packages. I've been going a little crazy with the online shopping ever since being stuck at home, but you know, it's okay. It helps me cope. But other than that, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you on my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.